Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Cosmic Tailfish in Fish It game of Roblox new Cosmic Collision update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Cosmic Collision update has been released in Fish It, and then you can go to the Planetary Observatory to complete some quest here. And then after you go to the Planetary Observatory, you will find this NPC, Submarine Operator. And then you're going to talk to him to unlock the submarine. And then if you want to use the submarine, you need to submit 20 Cosmic Tailfish to power the submarine descent. And then I'm going to show you where you can catch the Cosmic Tailfish. Okay, this is the Cosmic Tailfish guys, and this is uncommon fish from this island. So just go to the Planetary Observatory. Okay, and you will be able to catch this Cosmic Tailfish. You just need to do fishing here. Wait, let me close it. Okay, I got my Cosmic Tailfish near this NPC. Okay, and I still need 19 Cosmic Tailfish to unlock the submarine. I'm still working on it, guys. Okay, and that's how we can catch the Cosmic Tailfish in Fish It game of Roblox new Cosmic Collision update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!